Your relationship with money is absolutely a reflection of your relationship with your own self, your self-trust, and your coping skills. And when you start to unblock your relationship with money, many of those things start to improve as well. Being in control of your money gives you a sense of freedom and power and control, instead of a feeling of being out of control, victimized, and disempowered. Your mind begins to clear, and you're able to see solutions. Ideas come into your mind, and you find that you can figure out ways, creative ways, to save money and create financial freedom. And this is all part of what participants in my Success Block Smackdown program are experiencing right now. If this resonates with you, I'd love for you to get on a free call with me at www.meetwithmelissa.me. I'll see you on that call.